Hello everyone, welcome back to Young Researchers. Today we are going to discuss a common issue that we usually face while importing references from Google Scholar to EndNote. So sometimes it happens like if you find an article on Google and you want to import its reference on your EndNote or any reference manager software like Mendeley, and but you can't find that paper on the Google Scholar. So this creates an issue like how to import that reference into the EndNote. Like for example, here the paper that I opened reference is this one, and this issue is commonly observed when we are pasting some title that contains some equations and some symbols and formulas, and here you can see like it is a superscript of EU metal, that 2 plus, but while writing reference it is not in the proper format, so it is not recognized by Google Scholar. And that's why this kind of reference, for example, if I copy and paste this reference into my Google Scholar and will search it, this paper will not appear as like it will appear as someone else, like the you can also check like the author list and the title, strong coupling between this one and this one. It is title is also different and the author list is also different. So here in this case, how can you import such reference into EndNote? So let's discuss about that. For example, and if you find that article on Google, for example, this is one, this is the article strong coupling, and the author list is also same, and then you just need to click on the reference on the paper link on the Google. And like in previous videos we have discussed about how to import reference from Google Scholar into EndNote, and if you can't find this EndNote importing option in your Google Scholar, how to fix that issues. If you have not watched those videos, I will provide the link of those videos in my in the description of my video. Okay, you can check them. So when we click the paper link on Google, then you can see here this site can be opened, and how can you download or import its reference or citation into EndNote. So every journal has, every paper has a different site. Okay, so you need to just look for export citations or download citation option. So here you can see this is an option of export citation. So here you can select any of option that fits best to your reference manager software. Here we have EndNote, and I want to download its citation, and I want to download import this citation into my EndNote. So I will click on EndNote, and then I will click on download citation, and once it is clicked by on a download citation, its download will be started. And once it is downloaded, it will appear like RIS, this one. Just click on this and it will open in your EndNote. Okay, so here is the article that you are looking for on but this article is not found on Google Scholar, but you can search this article on Google, and from here you can import this reference into your Word document and anywhere you want to import. Okay, so in this way you can download citation of a paper. If that paper is not found on Google Scholar, you can directly open the paper on Google and then click on export citation or download citation, and you can choose any software that fits best to you. Okay, so in this way you can import reference from Google directly as well. So this is all about today's video. In coming videos we will discuss some more interesting topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.